Well, hello everyone. It's me, Website Candy, and I started this new series called, uh, ideals. I guess I have a lot of ideals in my head that I want to share with the world, and you know, uh, these are ideals that I've had, and like I said before in the last video, they're just sitting in my head. I just really don't know what to do with them. Honestly, I have no execution on any of these ideals. However, I just want to share the ideas with you guys to where if you decide you want to take this ideal and do something with it and make millions and trillions and billions of dollars off of it, um, I'm just asking you come back out of the goodness of your heart and, throw me a bone, if possible. I'm listing my Cash App in the description just in case you decide to become extremely wealthy off one of these ideals. But the ideal that I have today is an app ideal. So let's say, for instance, you have this application to where it just sits on your phone and your friends fill out their menu and you fill out your menu. So let's say you go to Wendy's or McDonald's or Chipotle. Chipotle is a hard one. McDonald's, you can kind of guess what maybe somebody would like to eat. If you know they're, vegan or vegetarian, you get them some fries and a drink, maybe, I guess, or maybe if you go to Burger King, you get them the Impossible Burger. But if they're a meat eater, you can successfully just get them pretty much any type of burger and it'll probably satisfy their hunger. Not necessarily the greatest meal ever, but satisfy their hunger. But basically, if I fill out my profile and I go through the different restaurants and a list of what I like to eat, and my friend does the same thing, when I go to this restaurant, whatever restaurant it may be, because everybody's on the list, okay? When I go to this restaurant, basically, I can look in my application and I can see what my friend likes to eat. And I can surprise him with the meal. Or, the application would have all kind of different little nuances, such as being able to, have the food delivered right through the app to a friend as like a surprise, or just, say they called you and said, hey, could you grab me something to eat from Wendy's or whatever? And that's where the conversation, stops pretty much when it comes to, they just said Wendy's, because if you look at their profile, you'll see exactly what they like to eat. But just the real basic, simple ideal. Even if somebody out there has this ideal or decides they want to put some funding behind it and explore and do this ideal, I would be happy to assist on some of the other ideals that I have within the app. So, that's just the ideal for the week, is basically an application that will help you understand what your friend likes to eat, what your friend doesn't like to eat. And just really simple, nothing too complex. This is something that you could share on Facebook, or, once again, it could be a social app. It could be built within Facebook, to where I already have my Facebook friends, and my Facebook friends already love to just fill out little surveys, whether they realize it or not. I've seen times where people have filled out, some information on, just little silly stuff. I'm not sure if you know what I'm speaking of, but it's like, if you was in quarantine with a certain person, here's 5 different people, and you gotta, who would you be in quarantine with? It's just honestly pointless and silly. So the Facebook application maybe would be a way to go in a great direction in regards to, Facebook kind of getting underneath it, and Facebook, who knows? I mean, Facebook may actually purchase the application from you and make it kind of a standard within Facebook, like they do a lot of different little things. So, that's just my ideal. Leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. If you have any type of ideals, that you would like me to discuss on this channel, leave a comment. Send me a message. If anything, we possibly can do like a little collaboration. They have the feature of live, connection through Instagram and different things like that. So we can talk. I'll send you my phone number. We can talk about it and put it out there to the world if you have a great idea. But other than that, thanks for watching, and hopefully somebody takes this idea and runs with it. All right, take it easy.